Have you ever dreamt of exploring the most captivating destinations that Asia has to offer? From the neon lights of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali, Asia is a continent that never ceases to amaze. But with so many places to see, where do you even start? Well, you're in luck because today we're embarking on a virtual journey to the 15 most beautiful destinations to visit in Asia. Whether you're an avid traveler or just looking for some travel inspiration, this video is for you. Grab your notepad because you'll want to remember these breathtaking spots. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy traveling as much as we do, and share this video to inspire your friends and family. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. First up is Tokyo, Japan. Imagine walking through bustling streets, neon lights illuminating your path, with the incredible blend of modern and traditional culture at every turn. From the serene Meiji Shrine to the busy Shibuya crossing, Tokyo is a city that truly never sleeps. The capital city of Japan is a bustling metropolis that seamlessly blends modernity with tradition. The city is a vibrant hub of innovation, boasting cutting-edge technology, futuristic skyscrapers, and efficient public transportation systems. Yet amidst the urban hustle and bustle, Tokyo preserves its rich cultural heritage, evident in its historic temples, tranquil gardens, and traditional tea houses. Visitors to Tokyo can explore iconic landmarks such as the majestic Tokyo Tower, the serene Meiji Shrine nestled within Yoyogi Park, and the bustling streets of Shibuya, famous for its iconic pedestrian scramble. Next, we fly to Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok is a city where the aroma of street food fills the air, and historic temples coexist with skyscrapers. The vibrant capital city of Thailand is a mesmerizing blend of ancient temples, bustling street markets, and modern skyscrapers. The city pulsates with energy as tuk-tuks weave through traffic-choked streets, monks clad in saffron robes collect alms, and street food vendors tempt passers-by with savory delights. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks such as the opulent Grand Palace, home to the revered Emerald Buddha, and Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, with its intricate spires and riverside location. Bangkok's vibrant street life extends to its bustling markets, including the sprawling Chatuchak Weekend Market and the vibrant flower market at Pak Klong Talat. From sampling authentic Thai cuisine at local eateries to enjoying a traditional Thai massage at a spa, Bangkok offers an unforgettable sensory experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Our third stop takes us to the island paradise of Bali, Indonesia. Think crystal clear waters, lush green rice terraces, and a culture deeply rooted in tradition and spirituality. Often referred to as the Island of the Gods, is a tropical paradise renowned for its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and spiritual allure. The island captivates visitors with its dramatic coastline of pristine beaches, towering volcanoes, and emerald rice terraces. Bali's cultural heart lies in Ubud, where travelers can explore ancient temples, watch traditional dance performances, and immerse themselves in the island's rich artistic heritage. Beyond Ubud, Bali offers a wealth of outdoor adventures, from surfing on world-class waves in Kuta and Seminyak, to snorkeling amidst vibrant coral reefs in the crystal-clear waters of Nusa Lembongan. Now let's jet off to Hong Kong, a city where east meets west, offering a skyline that's unforgettable, especially from Victoria Peak. Hong Kong is a dynamic city where east meets west, offering a tantalizing mix of skyscrapers, traditional temples, and bustling markets. The city's iconic skyline, dominated by towering skyscrapers and neon-lit signs, is a testament to its status as a global financial hub. Yet amidst the urban sprawl, Hong Kong preserves its rich cultural heritage, evident in its historic neighborhoods, ancient temples, and vibrant festivals. Seoul, South Korea is next on our list. A city known for its lively K-pop culture, delicious street food, and historic sites like Gyeongbokgung Palace. The bustling capital city of South Korea is a vibrant metropolis that seamlessly blends modernity with tradition. The city's skyline is punctuated by towering skyscrapers and historic palaces, while its streets buzz with energy day and night. Visitors to Seoul can explore iconic landmarks such as Gyeongbokgung Palace, the largest of Seoul's 5 grand palaces, and Seoul Tower, which offers panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. The city's vibrant neighborhoods, such as Gangnam and Hongdae, are home to trendy boutiques, hip cafes, and bustling street markets. Seoul's culinary scene is equally diverse, with a wide range of restaurants serving traditional Korean dishes like bibimbap and bulgogi, as well as international cuisine from around the world. In Singapore, marvel at the futuristic gardens by the bay and the colorful streets of Little India and Chinatown. Singapore is a modern city-state known for its futuristic skyline, multicultural heritage, and lush green spaces. The city dazzles visitors with its iconic landmarks, such as Marina Bay Sands and Gardens by the Bay, which showcase cutting-edge architecture and sustainable design. Singapore's multicultural fabric is reflected in its diverse neighborhoods, from the vibrant streets of Chinatown and Little India to the trendy boutiques of Orchard Road. Visitors can explore the city's rich cultural heritage at historic sites like the colonial-era Raffles Hotel and the colorful Sultan Mosque. Kyoto, Japan, offers a different pace, with its peaceful Zen gardens, bamboo forests, and the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine. It's a city that's managed to preserve its history beautifully. The cultural heart of Japan is a city steeped in history, tradition, and natural beauty. The city's UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including Kinkaku-ji, Golden Pavilion, and Kiyomizu-dera Temple, draw visitors from around the world with their stunning architecture and serene surroundings. Kyoto's historic neighborhoods such as Gion and Higashiyama offer a glimpse into traditional Japanese life, with wooden machiya houses, narrow alleyways, and charming tea houses. Visitors can immerse themselves in Kyoto's rich cultural heritage by participating in a traditional tea ceremony, donning a kimono for a stroll through the city, or watching a performance of Noh or Kabuki theatre. Siem Reap, Cambodia, home to the awe-inspiring Angkor Wat, is a place that feels like stepping back in time. The ancient temple complex is both mystical and majestic. Siem Reap is a gateway to the ancient wonders of Angkor, including the magnificent Angkor Wat temple complex. The sprawling archaeological site, built by the Khmer Empire between the 9th and 15th centuries, is one of the most important historical sites in Southeast Asia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors to Siem Reap can explore Angkor Wat's intricately carved temples, monumental stone sculptures, and lush jungle surroundings, including the iconic Ta Prohm Temple, which is engulfed by towering fig trees and creeping vines. Hanoi, Vietnam, is a city of contrasts. The capital city of Vietnam is a city of contrasts, where ancient temples and colonial-era buildings coexist alongside modern skyscrapers and bustling street markets. The city's historic Old Quarter, with its narrow streets, traditional shophouses, and bustling street life, offers a glimpse into Hanoi's rich cultural heritage. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks such as Hoan Kiem Lake, with its picturesque Red Bridge, and Ngoc Son Temple, and the iconic Hanoi Opera House, a stunning example of French colonial architecture. Hanoi is also known for its vibrant street food scene, with a wide range of dishes available at bustling markets, sidewalk cafes, and roadside stalls. From savouring a bowl of fragrant pho, noodle soup, to indulging in crispy banh mi sandwiches, and refreshing café soi da, Vietnamese iced coffee, Hanoi offers a culinary adventure that tantalizes the taste buds. Whether exploring ancient temples, shopping for souvenirs in bustling markets, or taking a leisurely stroll around Hoan Kiem Lake, Hanoi offers a captivating and unforgettable experience for travelers. Shanghai, China, is where futuristic skyscrapers tower above traditional neighborhoods. Shanghai, China's largest city, is a dynamic metropolis known for its futuristic skyline, historic landmarks, and vibrant culture. The city's iconic skyline, dominated by towering skyscrapers like the Shanghai Tower and the Oriental Pearl Tower, is a testament to its status as a global financial hub. Yet amidst the modernity, Shanghai preserves its rich cultural heritage, evident in its historic neighborhoods, ancient temples, and traditional gardens. Visitors to Shanghai can explore iconic landmarks such as the historic Bund waterfront, where colonial-era buildings line the Huangpu River, and the serene Yu Garden, with its picturesque pavilions, rockeries, and ponds. Shanghai is also a paradise for food lovers, with a diverse culinary scene that showcases the flavors of China's many regions, from spicy Sichuan cuisine to delicate Cantonese dim sum. Whether shopping on Nanjing Road, attending a traditional Chinese opera performance, or taking a leisurely cruise along the Huangpu River, Shanghai offers a captivating and unforgettable experience for travelers. Kathmandu, Nepal, is a gateway to the Himalayas. Kathmandu, the capital city of Nepal, is a vibrant and bustling hub of culture, history, and spirituality. The city's rich heritage is reflected in its ancient temples, ornate palaces, and vibrant street life. Visitors to Kathmandu can explore iconic landmarks such as Durbar Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where ancient temples and palaces showcase exquisite Nuwari architecture. Nearby, the sacred Swayambhunath Stupa, also known as the Monkey Temple, offers panoramic views of the city and is a revered pilgrimage site for Buddhists. Kathmandu is also known for its bustling markets, where visitors can shop for traditional handicrafts, colorful textiles, and exotic spices. Dubai, United Arab Emirates, is a city of superlatives. Dubai is a dazzling metropolis known for its towering skyscrapers, luxurious resorts, and world-class shopping. The city's futuristic skyline is dotted with iconic landmarks, such as the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, and the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island in the shape of a palm tree. Dubai is also a shopper's paradise, with luxury malls like the Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates, offering a wide range of international brands and designer boutiques. Beyond its glitzy facade, Dubai preserves its rich cultural heritage, evident in its historic neighborhoods, traditional souks, and Bedouin heritage villages. Visitors to Dubai can explore iconic landmarks such as the historic Al Fahidi Fort, home to the Dubai Museum, and the bustling Gold Souk, where gleaming jewelry and precious metals are on display. Dubai's culinary scene is equally diverse, with a wide range of restaurants serving everything from traditional Emirati cuisine to international fusion dishes. Whether shopping in luxury boutiques, relaxing on pristine beaches, or experiencing adrenaline-pumping desert adventures, Dubai offers a luxurious and unforgettable escape in the heart of the Middle East. Jaipur, India, the Pink City, is a spectacle of Rajasthani architecture, with the Hawa Mahal and Amber Fort painting a picture of India's royal past. The capital city of Rajasthan is a vibrant and colourful destination known for its rich history, royal heritage, and architectural wonders. The city's iconic landmarks, including the majestic Amber Fort, the ornate Hawa Mahal, and the sprawling city palace, showcase the grandeur of Rajasthan's royal past. Jaipur is also known for its vibrant markets, where visitors can shop for colourful textiles, exquisite jewellery, and traditional handicrafts. The city's culinary scene is equally enticing, with a wide range of restaurants serving authentic Rajasthani cuisine, including dal bati churma, gatte ki sabzi, and lal mas. Phuket, Thailand, is where you can relax on pristine beaches or explore the bustling night markets. Phuket is Thailand's largest island and a popular beach destination, known for its stunning coastline, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural heritage. The island's pristine beaches, including Patong, Kata, and Karan, offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, with crystal-clear waters and powdery white sands. Phuket's vibrant nightlife scene comes alive after dark, with bustling night markets, beach clubs, and entertainment venues catering to visitors of all ages. Beyond its beaches and nightlife, Phuket is home to a wealth of cultural attractions, including historic temples like Wat Shalong and the Big Buddha, which offer stunning views of the island from their hilltop locations. And last but not least, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, with the iconic Petronas Towers, offers a vibrant blend of cultures. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur is a vibrant capital city known for its modern skyline, diverse culture, and delicious cuisine. The city's iconic landmarks, including the Petronas Twin Towers, KL Tower, and Merdeka Square, showcase its status as a global metropolis. Kuala Lumpur's cultural diversity is evident in its diverse neighborhoods, from the bustling streets of Chinatown and Little India to the trendy cafes and boutiques of Bangsar and Bukit Bintang. Visitors to Kuala Lumpur can explore iconic landmarks such as the Batu Caves, a Hindu shrine nestled within limestone caves, and the Islamic Arts Museum, which houses a vast collection of Islamic art and artifacts. We've journeyed together through the 15 most beautiful destinations in Asia, each with its unique charm and beauty. Whether it's the bustling cities, serene landscapes, or rich history, Asia has something for everyone. Have you visited any of these places, or are they on your travel wish list? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video has ignited your wanderlust, give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonders waiting for you to explore. So pack your bags, because your next adventure is just a decision away. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.